Welcome back. Today we have an exciting segment where we will be ranking various fast food options on our tile list. But before we dive in, please subscribe to our channel. Let's begin. First one is cheeseburger. Next one is mozzarella sticks. Third one is french fries. Chicken nuggets. Taco. Pizza slice. Do you want to eat this? Submarine sandwich. Chicken sandwich. Burrito. Onion rings. Fish and chips. Do you want to eat this? Sushi Rolls. Hot dog. Milkshake. Fried chicken. Tell me in the comments which one is your favorite food. Double cheeseburger. Popcorn. Yummy. Cheese fries. Mmm. Nachos. Breakfast burrito.